Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to yet another video. I'm Richard, also known as Poor Man.
And I'm Jennifer, also known as Mrs. Poor Man.
This week we introduce our video from Mala e Kahana Recreational Area.
Hi everyone, do you ever have days that you experience this?
We've all had days like this, especially in the morning when you're not quite awake and you can't find that spoon for your cereal.
So today's video, we're going to show you how to resolve this issue.
Yes, today what we're going to do is show you how you can make drawer organizers with some inexpensive wood that can be done very easily. We're also going to talk about different ways that you can do it, just in case you don't have the same tools that we do.
So if you like our video, please subscribe below.
And with that, cue music.
What do you think the first thing to do is? Let's cut some wood.
For the next steps, we are going to cut notches in the wood so that they can connect together. However, if you don't have the tools to be able to do this, you can actually cut the pieces to the exact sizes that you want. Use what's commonly used in a lot of woodworking channels, what is referred to as CA glue, more commonly known as super glue. Super glue, along with an accelerant, actually holds the pieces together extremely well, and since this is just within a drawer, it's the perfect way to build this, again, if you don't have the tools to be able to notch things out like we're doing here. And now it's sanding time. Da 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 dun, da dun, da dun.
Here we are using Butcher Block Conditioner on the wood because it's food safe. After we used the conditioner, we wiped off the extra amount from the wood. All that's left now is assembly.
And there you have it. We told you it was going to be easy.
We hope you enjoyed our video this week.
Next week, we're going to be working in the closet yet again. When we first redid the entire house, we put the closets off to the end. They weren't a high priority. A lot of our spare rooms aren't being used because we don't have a little one living with us anymore. So we're definitely going to have to work on that. Right now it has absolutely no shelves or hangers or anything else like that. So until then,
Bye-bye. And please enjoy the scenery from Hawaii.